Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix USB not recognized in Windows 10 or 11. Alright, so let's begin with the video. We know it's really annoying when on your Windows 11, you're trying to use a hard drive, pen, SSD, card reader, or any other external USB drive or stick. The pop-up is coming over that this USB is not recognized, or maybe the device is not showing up on your system. In this video, we're going to show you some ways that you can fix this issue. When you encounter a similar situation, just eject your USB device, wait for a while, and then connect it again. After that, go ahead and restart your laptop. When your laptop restarts, if it still does not work, what you can do is insert your USB device to another similar port in the same device. If you have another USB device available, install it and check if that is working without any problem on your laptop. If USB still doesn't work, what you can do is right-click on the Start menu, go to Device Manager, scroll down, double-click on USB Connector Managers, click on this option. After that, go to this driver bar, and what you have to do is just Update Driver, and then select Search Automatically for drivers. If you see the best drivers for a device you've already installed here, your work is done. After that, if you want, you can restart your Windows 11 device once more, and now check if it's working well or not. So that's basically how you can fix USB not recognized in Windows 10 or 11. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.